Hello everybody, my name is Coach Schryver and I will be showing you how to get to Thursday's assignment. It is going to be located in Social Studies 6 week or week 6, and we are Thursday's folder. Today is October 1st. Alright, so your classes are going to have the instructions for what to do independently written out right here, and definitely watch this video because I'm going to go over it as well. So for the first one, it is the economics supply and demand Google Slides. You're going to click that, and once you open it, it's going to create your own version and copy of this slide, okay? It is supply and demand. The concepts are: what is supply, what is demand, how do they affect the prices of goods and services? Go ahead and shorten that up. How do governments, businesses decide what goods and services should be produced? In a free enterprise system, this is mostly based off of supply and demand. Demand is what people want. Supply is how much of it is available. You guys are going to go ahead and watch this video clip right here on supply and demand. It's really good. We go to the next slide. How do government businesses decide what goods and services should be produced? Well, in a free enterprise system, this is mostly based off of the supply we have as well as the demand for the people who want those things. So demand is what people were wanting. The supply is how much of it there is available. Supply and demand does affect the prices. For instance, here's an example. If you have 1 ton of a product or a lot of it, but nobody wants it, what happens to the price? The question is, or the answer is, it will fall. The price will fall. It's highlighted in green because that's good. We as consumers want low price stuff. For number 2, if you only have a few of those products left, like they're in high demand, a lot of people are buying those, the price will most likely rise. And then what happens when the supply is high and the demand is high? Well, that's interesting because it gets very specific at that point. The price could rise, it could stay the same, or it could fall. It just depends on a lot of different factors. So if both rise, a lot of things can change. And same goes for the opposite effect. When supply is low and demand is low, you usually see the price either fall, rise, or stay the same. It's hard to say without exact specific numbers. So you guys will go ahead and study these slides. I pretty much go over situations and scenarios like that. So for this one, fall, rise, stay the same, or all of the above. That's what you'll do for the rest of these slides. You'll just see what happens to the graph, what happens to the supply, what happens to the demand. So when supply is rising and the demand is falling, the price is going to fall. When the supply is low and the demand is going up, meaning people want to buy it, the price is going to rise. So go ahead and go through these scenarios and read the descriptions or examples. So all of this right here is telling you why, and the answer is right here. So in this, for graph 5, the price falls. For graph 6, the price could rise, fall, or stay the same because of the factors. Read the descriptions there. You'll carry on through the rest of those slides, and when you are done, you will submit them just right there, and then you'll go back into Thursday's folder where you will go to the final part, which is the supply and demand assignment. You will click on that, and it'll take you in. You will have 3 attempts to complete this assignment, okay? It will take your best score, and you will be able to see what you got wrong when you go back in. So that is your assignment today, guys. Let us know if you have any questions. Email your teachers if you do have any questions about the assignment, or ask to meet with them on Zoom so you can ask those questions. All right, we'll see you later, guys.